Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Toby, and in today's video I am finally filming and uploading obviously, but today I am going to be filming my American makeup haul. I'm so excited. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, then you probably wouldn't know that for the past 2 weeks I have been in LA, Vegas and at Coachella, which, oh my god, amazing, just so cool. I actually might be uploading a video on here with some clips from there, but till then, this is my America video. So I spent quite a bit of time in Ulta. I got this massive bag, just lovely. And I also went to places like Morphe, and a couple of other places, obviously like Sephora and stuff like that. I love shopping in America because it is exorbitantly cheaper than here in Australia, like incredibly cheaper than here in Australia, which is ridiculous. I honestly would just fly there to go makeup shopping. But I didn't actually buy as much as I really wanted to, so this is actually kind of a small-ish haul, and I'm a bit devastated about it, but what are you gonna do? I'm just gonna go back and buy more. But let's get into it. So I kind of put everything in the Ulta bag because I can't really take too many actual bags back in my luggage. So this is the massive Ulta bag that they gave me, and I don't know why they're not deeper, they're just wider. It's so weird. So I don't know where to even begin. I'm gonna start, if I can find them in order, the stuff I bought from Walmart, and I am gonna be completely honest here, I don't know why people in America trash Walmart so bad. It is so cheap. It's great. Then again, I did go to the one in Palm Springs, so it's probably not as gross as what other Walmarts are. Okay, so I actually have used 3 of these because actually there's more stuff. Okay, so fun fact, I was getting ready to go to lunch on the first day, and I realized that I left my concealer brush at home, and so I really need one of them, so I bought a 2-pack of I'd use one, but it counts. 2-pack of Real Techniques sponges, miracle sponges. It was only $9, and one of them here is $16, so I was really happy about that. Then, because I can't just buy one thing because I have a problem, I went and bought the Wet n Wild Megalo contouring palette contour. I don't know. I bought the shade Caramel Toffee, which probably isn't mine, but oh well, I like dark contour. Yeah, I'm actually really happy with this, and I love the size of it, and it was really cheap, so I'm enjoying it. This is my first Wet n Wild product. I also bought this little Wet n Wild Color Icon Glitter Single. This was $1, and it was kind of shit, but like, not very good. I didn't like it. But for $1, I don't really care, and I'll probably use it again. Next I got, oh, they're all Mega Glow. I don't know what Mega Glow means. Oh, Mega Glow. Whoopsies. Then I got the Wet n Wild highlighting palette. Wait, highlighting powder. Why can't I read today? In Novo. Oh no, wait, what? What am I reading? In Golden Flower Crown. What a cute name, actually. This is a really, really, really pretty shimmer. I'll give it that. It's really pretty, and this is so cheap. Then I'm not too sure if I got this from Walmart or a Walgreens, but it counts. I got these 2 LA Girl Pro Conceals concealer in porcelain, because the store that I normally get them from here in Australia doesn't want to sell them anymore. It's so rude. Then I don't know why I'm kind of including these in there, but I thought I would just throw it in anyway. But I also got, because they don't sell them here in Australia, they sell EOS balls but not hand lotions. I got the EOS Essential Hand Lotion in Delicate Petals and Berry Blossom. Berry Blossom is my favorite. This I'm giving to my mum. I got them, they were from CVS, so there's that. Then on to Sephora. I actually got 2 of these because these were $24, and here in Australia the minis are $20, so I jumped on that train real hard. I bought 2 of them, but I've already given one to my mum. This is literally my favorite mascara ever. If you see my video, I just love this. Then I got the Urban Decay All Night All Day Travel Duo. You're an idiot if you buy these singly, because I was in the line for Sephora. One of these each was $15, but there were 2 for $19, so I was like, of course I'm getting 2. So one has the Quick Fizz Hydro Charge Complexion Prep Priming Spray. I probably wouldn't have bought it if I realized it was coconut water, but whatever, because it just smells like sunscreen. And it comes with the Urban Decay All Nighter, so I'm happy about it. Then I also bought the All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. Just a travel, I think this is a travel size one. It's only 30 ml, and a Chill Cooling and Hydrating Makeup Setting Spray as well. And this one's 118 mils. So yeah. Not really going in any order, and I just realized that, and I'm sorry. Then from Sephora, I was just really excited to pick this up. This is the Violet Voss Pro eyeshadow, and it's the Holy Grail. Oh, ew. I don't like my lip gloss. It is the Holy Grail eyeshadow palette, and I have been wanting this for a very, very long time, but of course here in Australia it's very expensive to buy this, so I was just very excited to get my hands on it for only like $45. But let me know in the comments down below if you want to see a video with this, because I'm absolutely going to do one, because I just think it's a really, really pretty palette, and I'm really late to the party, but I don't really care. Another two palettes that I'm not going to take out because I bought for my mom, and I don't want her, if she accidentally watches this and sees what I got her. So I got these two palettes here. This is both Colourpop palettes, which the Ulta in LA had a terrible selection of Colourpop stuff, like a horrible just, they had like nothing. But anyway, this is the Double Entendre. No, I can't pronounce it, sorry. Eyeshadow palette by Colourpop, really, really stunning, and the Give It To Me Straight. I couldn't pick which one I wanted to get her, so I got her both because I'm nice. Also on Ulta, I thought this was so cute. I got a little velvet teddy, and I'm so happy that I'm filming this video because I can finally open it and wear it. And this is, I've never had velvet teddy, I've never tried it, and this little lipstick was like $10, and they're $38 here. So I also got these two Revolution, oh no, they're different, but they're highlighters. I got the Revolution Strobe Highlighter. I really regret not buying any Revolution stuff while I was actually in England, but I got this one, which is called Gold Addict. And then I got the Vivid Baked Highlighter in the shade Radiant Lights. Then I also got this baked bronzer by Milani in the shade Soleil. I really like the packaging. I also got my Holy Grail, which is the Hula by Benefit bronzer. Then, because for some reason they're like sold out here, like I literally cannot find them anywhere, the Essence Metal Shock eyeshadow in the shade Solar Explosion. Then another thing I cannot even buy here in Australia, I have to buy it online. The Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I get the shade Fair Neutral. Yeah, the Fair Neutral, which is literally my favorite concealer ever. Then I just thought I would include these, and I don't know why, because I didn't really include the other sort of things like this I bought, but whatever. I also got these sort of things from Bath & Body Works, just because it's a little bit cheaper in America. I'm missing one of them because it's already in my handbag, but these are the little hand sanitizers I got because I love them. This I got in French Lavender. I got a Champagne Sparkle, Berry Lemonade, and I love the men's one, which is the Noir. That smells so good. And I also got these fragrant mists because I couldn't find any of my Victoria's Secret one in America. I did end up finding it at the end, but I had to improvise. So I got Happy Vibes, which is cute packaging. I got Magic in the Air. I also got the other version of this, but I don't really know where I put it. But it has shimmer bits in it, which there's a lot of shimmer in there. I also got 1,000 Wishes, and then I got the 1,000 Wishes shimmer version, which they're not playing around with the shimmer. It goes everywhere. Oh, this is the thing that fell out. I also got, this is from Ulta, I also got the Ardell Wispy 5-pack. This 5-pack was $11, and just for like one Wispy here is $11. So I was like, I'm getting a pack of them. Then to Morphe, I went to the Morphe store in Burbank. And it's a really like intimidating store because it's just, I don't know, it's just kind of freaky. First off, I got the Morphe Bretman Babe in Paradise palette, and I actually didn't know this came with a brush, so I was pretty happy to find a brush. But even though I don't really use fan brushes, but I will with this palette. Just, I don't know. But I love the packaging. It's really cute. It's very fun. And yeah, I liked the colours. I don't know about these two because I don't know how I'm going to use them, but I'll figure it out. And I love the names. Like, that's literally called Shady Bitch. I love it. Then I'm really late to the party, but I picked up the Jaclyn Hill palette. I've actually wanted this for a while, but it was way too hyped for me to even bother because it was always out of stock. So I was like, oh, I don't really care. And I had full intent of picking it up in America, so yeah, I'm sure everyone knows what the inside of this looks like, but I will do some looks with them because I think it is a really stunning palette. It is really universal. I just think it's a very, you know, nice palette. It's probably one of my favorite Morphe palettes that they do. But yeah, that is it for this American makeup haul. As I said, I do wish I bought a couple bit more, just to kind of utilize just the variety of products they have, because I hate ordering products online and it takes so long to come and it costs so much extra money. So I wish I utilized it a little bit more, but I'm planning on going back anyway, so I will be a bit smarter about it next time. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a comment down below and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!